Hello investors, are you looking for a YouTube channel that gives you all the information that you need in order to make an informed decision when buying properties? Well, look no further because you are in the right place. My name is Awele Emmanuel, the lead consultant at Bestate Investment, a real estate agency in Lagos that gives you the best real estate deals. So these are verified properties that have good location, good documentation, and flexible payment plans. That's what we bring to you right here on our YouTube channel. And today I have a very important announcement to make, and I encourage you to please stay to the end of this video so you can see it. Now, if you're just joining us for the first time, please hit the subscribe button below this video and click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when next I post a new video. Now, when it comes to buying properties, one of the most important things to do is to see that property, right? Because as they say, seeing is believing. But it's not every time you have the opportunity to go and see the property yourself, right? You might be busy, you might be out of the country. And in that case, the next best thing is video, right? You want to see what it looks like, the inside, the outside, the surroundings, and all of that. And I'm sure you might be seeing on YouTube, like, it's not very easy to find that. Well, and even for us, a lot of my customers are always asking me, Awele, can you show me I want to see the neighborhood, I want to see what's outside, I want to see what's inside, I want to see the streets before the property, I want to see where it starts from, everything around it, right? And today I have amazing news for those of you who looking for a channel where you can get comprehensive video coverage of properties. Because when it comes to video coverage and area photography, equipment for that are quite expensive. That's why it might not be so easy to find. We've been growing, and I'm thankful to God we've come to a point where we can afford some of this nice equipment. And today I'm glad to announce to you guys that we just acquired a drone, right? So it's like just over this weekend, right? Just acquired a drone, and this is the Mavic Air 2 drone, one of the best drones in the market. So right here on this channel, you can be sure to find amazing comprehensive video coverage of properties, right? Inside, outside, neighborhood, anything you want to see, it will show you, right? So super excited to acquire this, and this is part of our commitment to giving you guys the very best, and that's what you can expect from Bestate Investment. So from our next videos, just get ready to see amazing video production, amazing views of properties, right, from our next videos. So just stay tuned to this channel so that you don't miss out on that, right? So let me just quickly show you what it looks like inside. And yeah, so this is the Mavic Air 2 drone, and I've already opened it up, but I just want to show you guys again. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Let me just close this so you can see well. Yeah, so this is it, and it comes in this nice bag. Yeah, so this is the bag that it comes with, and let me just show you what's inside. Yes, so this is it. So right here we have the drone. So this is the main thing, this mini helicopter. Haven't flown it yet, but I'm doing that very soon. So this is what it looks like, and what else do we have here? So yeah, this is the controller for controlling the drone. It's like a gamepad. This is the controller, and what else do we have here? Yeah, so this is for the charges, the charging kit, and right here we have the so this is the charger, goes in here, and we have the spare batteries, because very important when you're shooting for long hours. Yeah, extra batteries. And then yeah, right here we have the blades. So these are the blades of the drone that, you know, go on top of it to make it fly. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, and I can't wait to start flying this thing and giving you guys amazing videos, right? So thank you for watching this video, and be sure to like and subscribe and share this video, and look forward to, you know, amazing videos right here on this channel. My name is Aweli from Bestate Investment, and I will see you in the next video.